Welcome to Automex Tools. Today we are presenting this Smart OBD starter pack from the Dagar company, which is a Polish product. So this is a professional automotive repair diagnostic tools for the advanced workshop, the technician who want to work on the SRS or airbag modules. So today I am just going to show you the box content. I will discuss about the software. I will talk about how to use this product and what is the difference between Smart OBD and this Car Pro tool. So let's jump into the box content. Then I will briefly explain you about the usage, about the software, about everything about this tool. And this is a really very advanced tool for the SRS module and for the airbag module. The technician who are professional wants to work on the SRS module, this is very helpful product for them. So let's jump into the box content. Okay, there are some functions which is making this tool more powerful. If we will talk about the functions, which is airbag, SRS module service, CAN services, bench connection support, then there is CAN GM-LAN support, and then there is 1 year software activation, which is coming with this starter pack. And there is one more important thing, while you are doing some manual connection on these tools, so you have some diagrams in your software, so you can easily check which cable should connect with which ECU module wire. That will help you perfectly in your work while you are doing manual connections. But mostly with this starter pack, this Smart OBD, what you have to do, you have to just put this one in the car, and then you can access easily to the SRS module from the car. Additionally, there is a Ford Volvo CAN adapter which will help you to connect with these Ford and Volvo cars. So if I will talk about the CPT actually needs a proper manual connection by soldering. You have to connect with the SRS module, you have to take out the SRS module, then you have to open the module. Then what you will do, you will just make some manual connection with these adapters, and then there is additional cables, and you have to connect perfectly, and still there is a diagrams available. If I will tell you simply, this unit Car Pro tool plus CPT, which we call this one CPT, you have to make manual connection by opening the SRS module, so you will do by perfectly soldering. If you will talk about this Smart OBD, what you have to do, you have to just plug in into the OBD2 and you can access your SRS module. In addition, let's suppose if your module is outside, what you will do, you will make some manual connection which is available here. You can do proper connection here, which is available, again I'm telling you in the diagram, so you can use it. Mostly this one, it's coming with the 1 year subscription, which is almost 365 days you can use with unlimited token. You can access maximum thousands of your airbag modules, which should be matched to the coverage list. Coverage list, this is very important. While we are selling this type of product, you have to check the coverage list. But if we'll talk about generally with this tool, this is really very fantastic tools coming with the good coverage list, with good SRS module coverage which is connected to the ECU. It's 100% fine to use these tools. If I will talk about some generally about this one, this can support thousands of module, SRS module, depending upon the software purchase. Like we are giving this one in standard pack, which is coming with the 365 days, like 1 year with unlimited token. The main thing is, this tool, you need to do a manual soldering connection. It can use bench connection or dump file calculating using this ISP adapter. And this one you can directly plug into the Car OBD and you can access. Car Pro tool, which is we are calling also CPT, it is for the EEPROM and data module operations, CAN and GM-LAN communication. That means you have to open the SRS module, you have to proper soldering the SRS module, then you can use it. While this one, it's very easy to use, plug into the OBD, or while you have the other manual connection with the SRS module. For this one, you no need to open this one. But this one, if there is a required to open a SRS module, then definitely there is a EEPROM system which you have to access. So this tool can help you. I just want to clear one thing, that this Car Pro tool, this is very strong option for the workshop who wants to work on the airbag and SRS module, and this tools is highly required for those who are really professional in this field, and really they know how to work on these tools, because this is not a basic diagnostic tool or basic a tool which will help you in step by step. Some things you have to do by your own. So this is very important tool for those garages who are mainly working on the SRS or airbag modules, and this is available on our website. I hope you like this video. You will find the details in our description. Please contact us. Our buying links is also on our description. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.